Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. First of all, open up the Roblox app. Here, you need to log out of your account. Make sure you remember your password, or you have it written down somewhere so you can log back in. Now, search here in the new tab, wearedevs.net. Tap to open up its site and go into Exploits. From here, tap to download the multiple games option. Click onto its red download button. So this takes you to the download page. You want to click on Download for PC. Once the downloading is completed, tap to open it. First of all, it is going to look like this. So you don't need to do anything, just make sure it's open. Now go back to Roblox and open Blox Fruits in the search bar. Then click to open up its game. Now tap on Settings icon from the top right corner and click to log out your account. Once you log out from your account, go and log into your account now. And as you can see, I'm now logged into my other account up here. Then search Blox Fruits and tap to open it. When you do this, it's going to ask you to download and install Roblox again. So go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and run the play again as normal. Now as you can see, I've got two accounts open. So to switch between the two accounts, all you need to do is click on the screen you want to play. So if you click on this one, it will start moving this instance. Then if I want to play with the other account, click on its screen as I've got only two accounts opened. It depends on your PC and how powerful it is, and how many accounts it can handle. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.